how to use Amazon reviews to find problems. So you can start with Amazon and search specifically in the books category. So when you do a search, there's actually a drop down where you can specify which category specifically you want to look for. And so in this case, eating and nutrition, different searches like this can find books like the book I'm showing you in front of you right now, Eat to Live. And if you go to this page, Eat to Live, this book, and you scroll down that page, you're going to get to a section called Customer Reviews. And now specifically, if you click on see all 4,139 customer reviews, which is right under that 1 star there, then it's going to drop you into every single review that there is. And at the very bottom here, you can even sort by all critical. That is an option. And there's 536 critical reviews. And this is a very popular book, by the way, that a lot of people like and a lot of people buy. So we're going to be kind of the counterculture to the popularity here. And so here's the most critical or most popular critical review. And there's something on this that really immediately got me excited. He says, after watching Dr. Furman appear on Dr. Oz, I was completely motivated and immediately bought Eat to Live. 1 week later and 5 pounds later, I am frustrated. So he lost weight, but he's still frustrated. Isn't that interesting, by the way? And furthermore, if I saw Dr. Furman on Dr. Oz, I would want to Google that to see what caused this guy to want to purchase this book and what got him motivated and excited, right? But see, let's read on. He says, why after losing 5 pounds in a week, you ask? Because no average working person has the amount of time it takes to do everything it takes to follow the menus and recipes to the letter. By the end of day one, I counted up the hours I had spent sleeping away in the kitchen and it added up to over 3 hours. So that's very important. So there is a broad problem. Wanting to lose weight, even losing weight, but still dissatisfied because of too much effort involved to slave away in the kitchen. And then even specifically further on, another critical review says, although I wasn't living to eat before starting this diet, I certainly was while I was on it. You have basically 2 choices. Keep it simple, eating fruits for breakfast, salads and beans for lunch, and salad and 2 cooked vegetables for dinner. And B, extremely complicated meal plans where you often end up using and cleaning a blender twice for each meal. I was shocked to see one dinner included both homemade soup and chili. Yikes. Option A left me starving and falling off the diet, even though I was already a vegetarian, as well as too disgusted to put one more piece of lettuce in my mouth. Option B was close to impossible. And so then he goes on and explains this even further issues with this. So we could go and we could very easily identify several different specific issues and notice patterns here related to this problem by looking at the Amazon reviews, the most critical reviews. By the way, this is one of my favorite ways to come up with problems in niches that I'm not already familiar with the customer, or I don't know specifically where they most likely hang out. But this gets you started down the right path because they have books in every single category, subcategory, subcategory known to man.